implement in this activity?
Well, the technological resource that we are going to use in this activity first will be a computer and also a media player, because through these we are going to transmit the information to the students. In this case will be a video about topic, jobs and occupations, and finally we are going to use an online game. Nowadays, the use of these technologies resources is very important because are useful for create different activities that we want to implement in the class. For that our class can be dynamic and students feel motivated. In our activity, we create an interactive online game. It is very easy to the majority of students, and they can do it either on their cell phone, tablet, or computer if they are in the school. The form to play this game I'm going to explain to you right now.
A doctor, a police officer, a driver, a chef, a teacher. He is a chef, a chef. He is a teacher, teachers, students.
The skill that we want to achieve using these kind of resources are listening, speaking, and acquire new vocabulary according to the topic and the respective pronunciation. Why? Because through this video, students will be able to familiarize with the new vocabulary, and in this form, students can establish a short conversations with the other classmates. On the other hand, students have to play an online game with the purpose to practice the learn, and later they can attract better the class. Therefore, students will feel more motivated to learn using the technology. Finally, we have the methodology. The methodology that we are going to use is CLT, Communicative Language Teaching, because it's an approach to language teaching that emphasizes interactions as both the means and the ultimate goal in study. For this reason, our activity is focused in the interactions among students, that they show interest in participate in the class and feel more dynamic the class. They can do different questions between themselves, for example, and repeat the vocabulary that they learn, and variety role plays that this activity will promote in them.